What if you could create a full song in seconds without touching an instrument? AI music tools are everywhere, but two names keep popping up: Sondo AI and Suno AI. So the real question is, which one actually wins? Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're breaking down Sondo AI versus Suno, looking at sound quality, ease of use, features, and who each tool is really for. By the end, you'll know exactly which one you should be using. Let's start with Suno. Suno is easily one of the most popular AI music generators right now. You type in a simple prompt, something like emotional piano song about heartbreak, and within seconds, it gives you a complete track. We're talking vocals, lyrics, and full instrumentation all generated for you. What makes Suno stand out is how finished everything sounds. It doesn't feel like a rough draft, it feels like a song you could actually upload or use immediately. For content creators, that's a huge advantage. Now let's talk about Sondo AI. Sondo is newer, but it's quickly gaining attention for a different reason. Instead of focusing only on speed, it leans into control and customization. You're not just generating a song and calling it a day, you're shaping it. Think of it like this: Suno is fast and automatic. Sondo is more hands-on and creative. When it comes to sound quality, there's a clear difference in approach. Suno usually delivers more polished, radio-ready tracks right out of the box. The vocals tend to sound smoother, and the overall structure feels cohesive without needing much adjustment. Sondo AI, on the other hand, might not always sound as polished immediately, but it gives you more flexibility to tweak things. If you care about tweaking the structure, adjusting the vibe, or experimenting with different sounds, Sondo gives you that freedom. Now let's talk about ease of use. Suno is about as simple as it gets. You type, you click generate, and you're done. There's almost no learning curve. Sondo AI takes a bit more effort. It's not complicated, but it does expect you to understand what you want creatively. So if you're brand new, Suno will feel much easier to jump into. When it comes to features and creativity, this is where Sondo really stands out. It's built for people who want to experiment and push their sound further. Meanwhile, Suno is built for speed and convenience, perfect if you need music quickly for YouTube videos, TikToks, or background tracks. So, which one actually wins? If you want fast, high-quality songs with almost zero effort, Suno is the better choice. If you want more control, flexibility, and creative input, Sono AI is the smarter pick. At the end of the day, they're not really direct competitors. They solve different problems. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one would you choose? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more AI tool breakdowns on the channel.